What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today we're making banana oatmeal cookies. Let's get started. In a large bowl, add the banana, sugar, vanilla, and canola oil, and mix the ingredients together. Then add the flour, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon, and mix until just moistened. Then add the oatmeal, chopped walnuts, chocolate chips, and stir. Using your hands, form the dough into a small round ball, a little bit smaller than the size of a golf ball. Place the dough balls about 2 inches apart from each other on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. It's easier to form the dough into balls with wet hands, so re-wet your hands as needed. Slightly flatten each ball with your fingers, then bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, or until lightly browned. Now dunk that cookie in some milk, take a large bite, and enjoy. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.